Hey guys, Gibson here. Welcome back to another video. If you're wondering why my hair is like this, I just woke up. And you're probably wondering, Gibson, are you supposed to be at school right now? Well, yeah, but I have a doctor's appointment. So I'm just doing a video right now. Hopefully this is going to be fun. So yeah, we're playing with some slime. Here it is. Brain putty. By the way, get brain putty now. Link in the description below. Now I'm gonna get this open. Okay, see that it's really melty? Let's get it out. Okay, I think we got it. Yay, look, we got it out. Whoa, this is squishy. Alright, I'm gonna flop you around. Ah! Okay, ready guys? Woohoo! He's going floppy, 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 floppy. Oh, got it. I can't. No. Ah! Okay, he just went crazy. Now, get off my shirt. So yeah, brought to my brain putty. Get it now. Link in the description below. I already said this. I'm being really stupid. So yeah, get it now. It's actually pretty fun. And if you're wondering where I got this, Walmart. Hey, I have a green screen now. Wait guys, I'm gonna try to make it a green screen. Never mind, I'm gonna make it a necklace. Ow, it's in my hair. Oh my god, stop. It's killing me. No, I'm okay. I'm not actually dying. So yeah guys, this stuff is fun. I'm just gonna kill it. Not yet. Okay, almost. Not quite. Oh, dang it. Okay, I'll be. Okay, got it. Perfect. So yeah guys, get this stuff now. It's really fun.